Hey, peace out, bro.
Hey.
Just try to keep it quiet because it's early and I don't want my neighbors to hate me. Bro. Just go. All right, so you already know real homies get each other real gifts. So I got my buddy a real spoiler because he has this skimpy little thing on. And this thing is nice. I got him this for Christmas and he hooked it up with AST lowering springs for the G80. So you already know homies get each other real gifts. This thing isn't even that aggressive, but this new one is nice. Bro, what is taking so long?
Bro, how about you shut up?
Gotta remove all this crap. It's so annoying. His F80 is so clean, though. He's super low, too. And he's only on EMD springs. But his fitment's, like, perfect. I love those wheels, too. This thing is insane, though. He has upgraded turbos. He's running hybrids. They're Vargas GCs. And he doesn't have a custom tune right now, but even on stage 2 plus, he pushes like 550 wheel. And when he gets a custom tune, he'll push like 600 to 650 wheel, depending on like if he runs E40, E50. And I think E85 pushes like a little over 650 wheel, but I'm not entirely sure. We'll have to get this thing on a dyno once he gets a custom tune. All right, so we just finished, and this thing looks so good. So much better than the old one he had. That looks amazing. That new spoiler is so much better. You like the spoiler?